And my first question, what do you make of the poll projection, exit polls that have been released today?
That the seats are different in different surveys, but it's quite sure that BJP is going to make the Chief Minister of Delhi. And it was very much clear from the day one when the notification of election was done, and we start visiting the area. The people, the public, they were very annoyed. They were feeling frustrating on the time when we were asking about the facility given by the Aam Aadmi Party, and they feel cheated. So from the day one, I just assume that the number will be increased, and definitely, day by day, the people shown their uh, beliefs in us. And today, I can say that next Chief Minister of Delhi will be from our party, BJP.
Kamaljeet ji, also trying to understand from you, there have been promises that have been made by BJP as well. There have been promises made by Congress. Aam Aadmi Party has carried on with the freebie culture. Do you think if BJP were to come to power, you are going to carry on with this freebie culture, this scheme politics that has helped Aam Aadmi Party succeed in the past two elections?
You have to try to understand the role of a state government. State government should always have a plan of a combination. That should be the best infrastructure. Second, the social welfare scheme for the needy person of the state. And it's not the first thing. From the day one, in every state, free education, free health is there. It was the only marketing skills of Aam Aadmi Party that they make it understood to all the country persons that it's first time that they are giving these things free to Delhi. The other thing were promises by them, but they were not provided by them. On the other hand, if you will ask about our government, like Ayushman, our PM sir announced it, and from the day one, we are providing it to the whole country except Delhi and Bengal. What about the Ladli Behan? If you'll ask me, I will say that this was our scheme, and because of the schemes, the our Sivraj, the CM, was always called Mama by the Madhya Pradesh public. So I just want to clear that social services and infrastructure development. This should be a good combination of a planning.
Okay,
And our government
okay,
has
Kamalji ji, one big allegation made by Aam Aadmi Party government that the BJP at the central level did not cooperate with the Aam Aadmi Party to launch schemes to allow for welfare projects to be launched in Delhi because it was an opposition party who was governing Delhi, and therefore cooperation not being shown by the central government led by BJP.
just two questions I have for them. Number one, Ayushman Bharat, a free treatment of rupees 5 lakh to the public persons. It was accepted by all the state governments except Delhi and Bengal. Why they have not accepted it? Second question,
But
ration
they are
card.
saying that their state healthcare schemes are much better than Ayushman Bharat, and therefore they are going to launch it and going to ensure that it penetrates into all the sections of the society in Delhi.
Meghna ji, I was just thinking that in my Lok Sabha, there are two government hospitals. One is Rao Tularam in Jafarpur, second is Deen Dayal. I was just assuming that they were having two-person on a bed before going in the public. But I can say the word, I feel very depressed when I come to know on a single bed, there are 4 to 5 patients. This thing I came to know by the public. So, whatever they are saying, they have the best model. They are the marketing manager. They were not providing anything. They were just playing with the words. They were playing with the sentiments. The public was very much clear about their last promises, and public also understood that Ayushman and ration card pension, this was the right given by the PM of our country, the central government of our country to the state, and it is the Delhi state Aam Aadmi Party who has not taken these schemes and just taking them away from these schemes. So
Okay.
this time Delhi public was very much clear about all these things.
So, if the BJP were to come to power, what is the chance? What are the promises that BJP at this point of time is going to fulfill? Most importantly, is the air quality and the pollution in Yamuna going to be improved? Or are you going to be following Aam Aadmi Party's footsteps to be providing funds, direct benefits to the poor sections of the society who are your vote banks, and forget about all the promises that you make about cleaning up Delhi?
I want to clear you one thing, that whatever the promises are included in our manifesto, within the given period of time of our 5 years, we will fulfill all the requirements, all the conditions which are given by us. We will fulfill all the promises. So it's our commitment to public that phase by phase we will provide everything, and the people will feel proud on the vote given by them.
Okay.